Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the no-hup, no hang-up command that you can use to keep a process from being terminated when you log out. The no-hup command keeps sig-up or hang-up signals from preventing the process from continuing. So to use the no-hup command, you would enter a command like this, no-hup, and the process I'm running a script. And you can tell that it's going to append its output by default to a file called nohup.out. Now, if I use the psef command and look for my long loop, you can see it is running. Now, if I were to log out right now, it would keep running, but to show you how that works, I'm going to send the same signal to that process, and then I'm going to see whether it's running, and it still is running. Now, on the other hand, if I sent it a stronger signal, a 9 instead of a 1, then it would go ahead and kill long loops. So you can kill a process if you need to, even if it's running with no-hup. And now I'm going to look at the file that the no-hup command prepared for me by running the long loop script. And as you see, there is output there. And now I'm going to just show you another way. If you want nohup to write its output to a different file, you can specify that file in a command like this. You can see that we would be writing to stats.out this time. Well, that is your Linux tip for using the nohup command to ensure that a command or script that you are running isn't terminated when you log off the system. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.